Welcome back to the Batman fan channel. This is the Batman Fan Forever 08 channel, and I'm your host, Jeremy. This is the channel where I upload videos of me playing with Batman toys, or just different things of whatever I want to do. It's kind of just a miscellaneous channel. Okay? So today we're playing with a few Batman toys. Starting first with this one. Okay? I think I've done this one before, but yeah, we're gonna start with this one. Okay? And anyways, I'll upload videos about pretty much anything to this channel. Science videos, let's plays, toy reviews, pretty much anything. This is a pretty good toy. It's pretty steady, pretty big. I do like this toy. Okay. Now there was another toy I wanted to play with. Let me see if I can find it. Ah, here it is. Let's open up this tin. I think I need to put my phone down. That's better. Sometimes it's kind of hard to get things open when you're only using one hand. Anyways, yeah, these toys, they come apart, and I can reassemble them to look different. I got several of them. And yeah, some of them are duplicates too. I think I'll get out only the unique ones. But yeah, those are all the toys. As you can clearly see, some of them are duplicates. Those are all the unique ones. Only have one of these. So yeah. That's a pretty nice tin, by the way. So, yeah. As you can clearly see, the cape comes off, the toy comes apart, and then you can change the toy with different parts. Like see if I can get this done with one hand. Kind of hard to do things with one hand. I really need a tripod. There we go. Like that. Like that. And then if we put these together, I think I'm just going to pause this and put it together with two hands, okay? There. Now it's together. Okay, yeah, you can change parts of the toy. You can do that with any of these toys. And yes, the cape is compatible with the Nightwing toy. But yeah, they're pretty good toys. They're pretty durable. They don't break easily. I do like them. Even, I can even do, this. There. Now Red Robin has Killer Croc's legs. And Killer Croc has Red Robin's legs. There. Looks funnier that way, doesn't it? Yeah, that looks good. Now let me fix something. Let me make it look even funnier. There, that looks even funnier. Shrunken arm. Overgrown arm. That looks even funnier. I like that. Yeah. I'm just having a lot of fun with this. Yeah, I think that looks good. Let's put these toys back to their original format. There, now the toys are back in their original format. I do like toys that can be taken apart and put back together in different ways. It's kind of fun to do that. Yep. I think that's all the toys I wanted to play with today. So yeah, that's this video. See you in the next video, okay? Bye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and ring the bell. And also, don't forget to follow me on Twitter and join my Discord. Links to Twitter and Discord will be in the description. Goodbye.